I would like to now introduce our second panelist, Ms. Hetal Maniar, a dear friend and the founder of Anchorheart Services, United Kingdom, coming live straight from Portsmouth from the UK. Her diverse experience as an education management expert for the last 10 years, has given her the thrust to become an entrepreneur and also an edupreneur and start an organization which genuinely is supporting students who are wanting to come to the UK for their higher education. And of course, Hetal is going to share her perspectives today on how, online presence and digitization works for her organization. So Hetal, thank you so much for taking the time out and coming and joining us all the way from UK.
And good afternoon from UK to all the panel members and all the participants. It is an immense pleasure to be here. And as Jarnal Singh sir said, I'm sure we as panelists also will learn a lot from this session. And in today's world of digitization, where we stand in the 21st century thinking human beings are the most intelligent people, I think COVID has taught us a lot more in terms of there are certain things that we can't beat as human beings, but we can definitely go around and make the best. And I think the online presence has now become a necessity more than anything. And this session today, I think, is very, very important for everyone.
Hetal, what do you think about, when it comes to when we start a new business? And I think recently Ms. Sunita also launched 2 new websites. What do you think goes in the mind of the person who's starting a new business or a small business? What kind of things do you think should be there, in a website?
So thank you for the question. From my experience being an education services management company, the first thing that I thought of when we were thinking of putting our website together, of course, is you have your brand, the colors that you're going to use. There's always a story, I think, behind a brand. So that was another thing that, like choosing the name. And for the website, it was what is the audience that I'm catering to. That was very important for me because my side of the business doesn't sell any products as such. If you see, we are more a service company. So we provide services to students, to universities, to schools. So our website was more of a credibility check, if you see what I mean. It's more like students want to know, or parents want to know, who are thinking of sending their kids here. They just want to know that, is this real? Who is the person behind it? What is the face behind it? And what is the story and what do they do? That's all usually they come for. And then usually they'll contact me. Though we have a contact form on our website, which is one thing that we thought we need to have, we hardly get, it's really surprising. You'd think that people just go online and put your questions, especially with all these forums and everything. But it's really surprising that through our website, we hardly get any contacts from there. They just pick up the phone or they just WhatsApp me or email me. But my website is more like a credibility thing. So the first thing that I thought of was the brand and the content that will go on there, and the audience that I'm catering to. So what do they want to see on the website for them to contact me and for the services that I provide?
That answers it quite well. Thank you so much, Hetal.